Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw another Jurassic World the game character, and this time I want to show you how to draw a level 40 Stegosaurus. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 Stegosaurus, we're going to begin over here with the face. So I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to go up, and it's going to come down. Next, we'll add a little line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve back for the mouth. I'm going to make a line that goes up and back down. And I'll make a line that's going to go down and then up. Starting here, we'll make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up here. Next, we'll bring it straight up like that for the jaw. I'll add a couple little curved lines for the bottom of the neck. And I'll draw a line that's going to go down here. For the legs, all we have to do is draw a line that comes down. And then it's going to come down here. Then we'll make a little line down and down and over for the foot. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes up and then over at an angle. And bring it up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. And right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then in. We'll make a line that's going to come down and then over. We'll go down and over for the foot. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and around. And we'll make a line that's going to curve up. Now, starting up here, I'm going to just draw a line that's going to go up. And I'm going to leave a few little kind of broken spaces up there just for spikes. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up here with a curve. And then I'm going to bring it back down. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come to here and over. Down and over, and down and over. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to come down and over. Down and over, and down and over. Next, we're going to bring this line up to here. Starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that's going to curve up, with a little line that's going to curve down and up, with a couple more little lines right in here. We'll add a little line in here for the nose, and a little line that comes down. We'll add a little line down here for the tongue. Then we'll add a little line that's just going to come up and down. Right up here on top of the head, we're going to make a line that goes up to a point, and then it's going to come down for a little spike. And then we'll make one over here. It's going to go up to a point and then down. We'll add some more spikes like that. They're just going to come up and then down, and they're going to slowly get bigger as they come up and down here. So we're just going to add some nice big spikes on here. And then we'll start making them a little bit smaller as they come down. Or you can call them plates, whatever you want to. We'll add some more right along the tail. Some of these little spots here, I'm going to add some smaller plates onto our level 40 Stegosaurus. Just a few smaller little plates here. Next, we're going to add some more plates right along the back here. I want to make these get nice and big in some of the spots. And then I'll add a couple more really big ones right back here, just to really fill it up. On the end of the tail, there's going to be a couple big spikes at the very end of the tail. And then for some details, I like to add a couple little curvy lines on here just to show where there are like some bends in the legs. We'll add some little curved lines right here where the toes are. And you can always add a little extra line right above it too. Now inside of here, I'm just going to add a little circle for the pupil. I'm going to color it in. And then I'm going to add a couple little lines right by the legs here, just to show where the legs are on the body. We can even add some quick little lines onto all the plates up here, just for a little bit of detail. And this just gives it a little bit more of like a realistic look. Now, our level 40 Stegosaurus is also going to have some big stripes, but I'm going to wait to draw those because I want to color in the areas and then draw them. There are not a bunch of spikes, but there are definitely a few of them, and they're just going to be kind of like really big, wavy tiger stripes. But there you go. There is your drawing of a level 40 Stegosaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.